Hello everyone, it's me Raheel Sheikh with a great piece of information with regards to doing businesses internationally and making a right choice of your next investment. Usually a lot of people, a lot of my investors, my clients, they ask me one single question. What are the major benefits of doing a business in USA or making a heavy amount of investments in America, and what kind of benefits are associated with that, and what does makes US a great dream business destination. As majority of you already know, I am based in America and I run multiple businesses here. So I thought to share some of my personal experiences and benefits of doing business in America, which would definitely help you to make a well-informed business decision and your next investment strategy. What I found in America is that US government provides foreign investors, especially and entrepreneurs and business people who want to do the business in America, a great infrastructure and a very stable and welcoming business market. And to support and give a boost to your business, the country provides a very transparent and predictable legal infrastructure, which certainly helps you in establishing and launching your first business or even the 10th business in America. The tax regimes and tax regulations in the country works pretty much in favor of the business community and the business entrepreneurs. There are a lot of tax codes, a lot of tax rebates and tax opportunities which the country provides to the businesses and entrepreneurs. An outstanding infrastructure is what you definitely need to expect when you launch your business in USA. Infrastructure, be it a social infrastructure where the local community, local audience, or your target audience or target customers of your business are there, or when it comes to the legal infrastructure, which are there to regulate and manage your business in the country. And a lucrative consumer market for the products and services of your business with whatever the industry you are engaged in. Well, we cannot certainly deny to the fact that the USA is a powerhouse of the businesses and it provides a great investment climate across the world to its investors and businesses, and offers a great socio-economic environment to attract the foreign investors more and more into the country. Every year there are thousands of international investors who migrate to US or who make their business investments into the country due to its great infrastructure, economic environment and certainly different investment programs. As one of the most developed and business friendly country, USA is definitely a destination of excellence of entrepreneurship. Whatever the industry and the nature of your business is, the country provides a rich, dynamic, and innovative business environment. And the beauty is that setting up, running, establishing, managing, and growing the business in America is very easy with very straightforward legal proceedings and legal framework. And not only that, it brings an immediate access to all the 50 states of the country and the 330 plus million population, which is your direct target audience for any of your product and services of your business. You also get a chance to take the direct benefit of the large network of partners, a great workforce, stable economy, diverse opportunities in a wide range of high performance business sectors. More interestingly, USA has one of the most developed, matured, liquid, flexible and efficient financial system in the whole world, which opens up an endless opportunities when it comes to the excess of capital or excess of finances, whether you want to start or launch a business or you want to expand and grow your business from any certain level to any level. Whether you want to trade in locally in the country or you want to go internationally, the financial market and the financial system of America is a great tool which definitely brings a great support to your business. And lastly, of course, as an alien investor, if you're making an investment or starting or investing in a business in America, so you definitely get a great opportunity where you along with your family, you can migrate to America subject to there are different investment programs and visa options are there. You can migrate here in the country and you can call it a home for you and your family. So I hope that would give you some bit of a clear picture that what are the benefits which you get when you actually make your business investments in America. If you still have any questions or any unanswered concerns, so feel free to reach back to us and I would definitely be more than happy to address any further concerns you might arise. Thank you so much. Take care.